I'm Ringo and I play the drums.
Well, I'm Paul and I play the bass.
I'm George and I play a guitar.
I'm John and I too play a guitar. Sometimes I play the fool.
And now for all of you youngsters you've been very, very good tonight. I'm very proud of you. Here are the Animals.
If sometimes I seem to be mad, well, don't you know that no one alive can always be an angel? Or when things go wrong, I seem to be mad. I'm just a soul whose intentions are good. Oh Lord, please don't let me be misunderstood. Sometimes I'm so carefree with a joy that's hard to hide. And then again it seems that all I have to do is worry, and then you're bound to see my other side. But I'm just a soul whose intentions are good. Oh Lord, please don't let me be misunderstood. If I get edgy, I want you to know that I never mean to take it out on you. Life has its problems, and I've got my share. And that's one thing I never need to do, 'cause I love you all. Oh, baby, don't you know that I'm human? I have thoughts like any other one. Sometimes I find myself alone regretting some foolish thing, some sinful thing I've done. Understood. Yes, I'm just a soul whose intentions are good. Oh Lord, please don't let me be misunderstood. Yeah. I'm just a soul whose intentions are good. Oh Lord, please don't let me be misunderstood.